Are all fractions rational numbers in algebra? Have you ever wondered if all fractions can be classified as rational numbers in algebra? This is a great question, and the answer is yes. Let's break it down together. First, let's define what a fraction is. A fraction represents a part of a whole and is written as one number, called the numerator, divided by another number, known as the denominator. Importantly, the denominator cannot be zero. For example, 3/5 and 7/8 are both fractions. Now, what about rational numbers? A rational number is any number that can be expressed as the quotient of two integers. Integers are whole numbers that can be positive, negative, or zero. The key point here is that the denominator must not be zero. This means that rational numbers include fractions, whole numbers like 5, which can be written as 5/1, terminating decimals like 0.75, and repeating decimals like 0.3 repeating, which is equal to 1/3. Since every fraction is essentially a ratio of two integers with a non-zero denominator, it meets the definition of a rational number. This means that fractions are a subset of rational numbers. It is also worth noting that integers themselves are rational numbers because they can be expressed as fractions with a denominator of 1. In algebra, understanding that fractions are rational numbers is essential. It helps in classifying numbers and performing operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division within the set of rational numbers. Knowing that fractions fit into this well-defined number system allows learners to work confidently with these expressions. Practical applications of this knowledge include simplifying fractions, converting decimals to fractions, and solving equations that involve rational expressions. This foundational knowledge supports more advanced algebra topics, such as rational equations and functions. To sum it up, every fraction is indeed a rational number. This is because it represents the ratio of two integers with a non-zero denominator, perfectly aligning with the definition of rational numbers in algebra. So, the next time you see a fraction, remember it is a rational number, and you can work with it confidently in your algebra studies.